I retired at 56, and today I'm revealing to you my passive income strategy, specifically designed for Christian women who want financial freedom and purposeful living in retirement. If you ever thought, is it too late for me to build something new? Or maybe, what will retirement even look like if I haven't saved enough? Then this video is for you. I'll walk you step by step through the exact process that I'm using to build streams of income that allow me to travel, give generously, and live a faith-filled life with impact. And stay with me because later I'll share with you the one income that I had before retirement. You won't want to miss it. Let's start with the program that truly changed the way I looked at retirement. I came across something called the Legacy Builder Program. It's a digital education program that not only teaches you how to build and market online, but also it gives you the master resale rights. This means you can sell the program and keep 100% of the profit. I gotta be honest, that was really attractive to me. Now let me be transparent. I didn't create the program, and I haven't fully reached my goals yet. But here's why I believe in it. It helps equip women like us with real digital marketing skills. Although I enjoyed working with the clients, I did work long hours, and I longed for time freedom. Time to create, to write, to travel. Maybe you felt this too. The tension between serving others and longing to fulfill some of those lifetime dreams. That's why I invested in this training. This program includes a done-for-you website, automated emails, and a step-by-step blueprint. I've met women in this program who are earning thousands of dollars a month, and I wouldn't promote this if I didn't fully believe in it. So if you've been praying about a way to make income without sacrificing your values and your family, this might be the path that God is opening up for you. Sign up with your email on my website. The link is in the description to get more information about the Legacy Builder program and to receive your free blueprint, the very one that I'm following today. The second stream of income I want to share with you isn't just about money. It's about surrounding yourself with the right people. It's called the Freedom Builders Club. And to be truthful, I didn't realize I even needed this until I found this community. The club is a community of people on the school platform founded by Wendy Nolan to teach others the success that she has experienced through the Legacy Builders program. She had tried multiple different programs online to earn income, but this one has been different for her. I heard Wendy present a few times in our Legacy Builders community, and I really enjoyed her personality, her fun spirit. She also lives in Ontario, as I do. She's made a boatload of money. Her videos are a lot of fun, and she has greatly inspired me. So when I heard that she was starting a community, I jumped in with both feet. The Freedom Builders Club offers detailed video instruction on both long-form and short-form YouTube. We have weekly Q&A calls, fun challenges, and templates to help you move forward. But what makes us powerful is the community of people. Men and women cheering you on, encouraging you, and sharing what is working for them. It's an affiliate program, so that means if you introduce it to other people, you earn 50% commission. That's monthly commission. It means that you're bringing in others who can join the circle and be supported too. It's been such a blessing to see my new friends and I progressing, learning from each other, supporting each other, and growing together. We have ladies in their 80s, young moms who are raising families, men who have had physical challenges, people who've been treated unethically in their jobs, and just those who want to lay out their own path. We're all here to earn money. Yes, it's a necessity and we'll admit it, but we all have burning passions and deep reasons why we want to learn these money-making skills. This community shows that you don't have to do it alone. I belong to some really amazing communities, and this is one awesome community. If you've ever thought, I don't know where to start, this is where you'll feel at home. Click the link in the description if you want to learn more about the Freedom Builders Club. You'll be welcomed with open arms. I promise. Now, let me share the income stream that I had in place before I even left my 9 to 5. The one that gave me the confidence to retire early. For many years, I've hosted international students in my home. It started when my husband was placed in long-term care because of his advancing Alzheimer's. I met a very special worker there who shared with me about hosting students in her home. After much prayer and consideration, I decided to do the same thing. My career was in financial services, and I was busy with visiting Bob every day in the home and also growing my financial business. My plate was full. The cost of his care was not only physically and emotionally challenging, it was financially draining. It made sense to me that I could sell our home and buy another one closer to the university and college that was on a convenient bus route. The advice from the lady I met at the home was take either boys or girls, but not both. It was great advice. The girls were at school during the day anyway, so I learned to manage my work during the school day and then be home to make dinner for everyone. That gives me a chance to hear about their day and find out how they're doing, and just to touch base and build community among those who live with me. At first, I hosted students to bring in some extra income, but I soon found out it gave me great joy. When my husband passed in 2018, the agency asked me if I would like to have the girls placed in another home. They all agreed that they wanted to stay with me. They were a great help and support during that time of grieving. I've built some lifelong friendships. In 2023, I traveled to Japan and Korea to visit 5 of the girls who have stayed with me. It was hard to leave them behind. They're like family, and this is my example of how income and purpose can go hand in hand. If you've ever considered hosting international students, it can be more than an income. It can be a ministry and a life-changing experience for both of you. For me, it made retirement less scary because I already had a solid foundation in place. Another income stream I'm starting now you may have heard of, but not considered for yourself. It's affiliate marketing. Promoting products you believe in and earning a commission when someone clicks to buy through your link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to create the product yourself. You simply connect people with something that will genuinely help them. For example, I focus on tools and products that have supported me and will help other women earn an income online to create the freedom they desire. Commissions can range from 25 to 50%. And when you pair this with email automation, you can even earn money while you sleep. Affiliate marketing is low risk and flexible and can grow into a great income stream alongside others that I've mentioned. The last stream of income I want to talk about is using your voice. It's content creation through telling your story on YouTube, blogging, or social media. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I'm not a speaker. I'm not a tech person, and who would listen to me? But here's what I've learned. Your story matters. I've spoken to women who thought that they had nothing to share, only to find out that their story of grief, motherhood, or career change was the story that someone else needed to hear. Sharing your story over time builds trust and opens the doors to sponsorships, ad revenue, and even a book opportunity. And no, you don't have to dance on TikTok. You can choose formats that fit your personality. I actually started faceless on Facebook. Your life experiences are valuable. Someone is praying for the encouragement that only you can give. Content creation allows you to bless others while building income streams. Let me assure you that you don't need one giant leap to create your financial future. You need a series of small, intentional steps. Whether it's learning a proven system or joining a supportive community, opening your home or sharing your story, each income stream can bring you closer to the freedom that God has intended for you. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which income stream would you like to start first? Enter it in the comments below. I'd love to hear. I'm going to be sharing lots more information for Christian women who want to retire early, who want to spend time with their families, perhaps to volunteer or spend time on a project that has special meaning for you. Hit subscribe so you can continue to see these posts on your channel. I've just shared with you the exact steps that I'm using to create income streams that will allow me to travel, to give generously, and to live a faith-filled life. I recommend watching this next video, where I share 3 essential things that every woman over 50 should know before launching a digital business for financial freedom and purpose-filled income. Thanks for watching and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.